Oh, good evening, Rhondda. Are you sitting comfortably? Then I shall begin. 'Twas midnight in the schoolroom, and every desk was shut, when suddenly from the alphabet was heard a loud tut-tut. Said A to B, I don't like C. His manners are a lack, for all I ever see of C is a semicircular back. I disagree, said D to B. I've never found C so. From where I stand, he seems to be an uncompleted O. C was vexed. I'm much perplexed, you criticise my shape. I'm made like that to help spell cat, and cow, and cool, and cape. He's right, said E. Said F, whoopee, said G, hip hip, hooray. You're dropping me, roared H to G. Don't do it, please, I pray. Out of my way, L said to K, I'll make poor I look ill. To stop this stunt, J stood in front, and presto, ill was Jill. You know, said V, that W is twice the age of me, for as a Roman V is 5, I'm half as young as he. X and Y yawned sleepily. Look at the time, they said. Let's all get off to beddy-byes. And the last one in was Z. Good night.